Hi students, MCQ number 26. If Cs is the velocity of sound in air and C is the RMS velocity, then these four options are given. It is entirely different type of question, very good question and very easy to think. Now we have studied Newton's formula and Laplace's correction when we studied what the velocity of sound in air. Here it is given Cs is the velocity of sound in air. So by formula, the velocity of sound in air Cs must be equal to square root of gamma times P divided by rho. Isn't that where P is the pressure and rho is the density of air. So this is one equation we have already studied. Now another equation we have derived in the kinetic theory of gases for RMS velocity. So C RMS, and it is denoted by small c. Okay, and this is equal to what? Square root of 3 RT by m. This is one of the equations. So using this, many numericals we have solved. Now this also can be written as what? Square root of 3 PV, because PV is equal to RT for 1 mole. So RT by m becomes PV by m. So this also equal to square root of 3 into, okay, P into this volume V is brought to the denominator like this, okay, m by V. So mass per unit volume is nothing but density. Therefore now C is equal to square root of 3P by rho. So this I will call it as equation 2. Look at the first equation. The velocity of sound in air is square root of gamma times P by rho, and here C is equal to square root of 3 times P by rho. So now I take the ratio of Cs to that of C. So dividing equation 1 by equation 2. So left hand side is what? Cs divided by C. Now the right hand side is square root of gamma P by rho. Okay, I will multiply by the reciprocal of the other quantity. So into rho divided by 3P. So which are the factors getting cancelled? Gamma will not be cancelled. P and rho get cancelled. So that the remaining factors square root of gamma by 3. Okay. So this is also equal to what? Gamma by 3 whole power 1 by 2. So if Cs by C is equal to gamma by 3 whole power 1 by 2, therefore what is Cs must be equal to C into gamma by 3 whole power 1 by 2. So this is the relationship between Cs and C. So what are the options? First one and second one cannot be correct. The third one, Cs is C into gamma by 3 whole power half. That is the correct answer. Okay. Therefore, option C is the correct answer. Okay. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.